Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to transfer all data from iPhone to iPhone. Firstly, go to Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone on your old iPhone. Under Prepare for New iPhone, tap Get Started, then tap Continue. If prompt, tap Turn on Backup to transfer, then select Move all app data with iCloud, then tap Done. Then wait for the iCloud backup to complete. Time varies based on your data size. Now, turn on your new iPhone, then select Language and Region. On the Quick Start page, tap Setup manually, then connect to a Wi-Fi network and wait for activation. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup, then sign in with your Apple ID and password. Choose the most recent backup, then tap Continue to restore full data or customize the restore by selecting specific apps or settings. Then follow the on-screen steps until the restore is complete. Now your iPhone will restart automatically after the setup, and photos, contacts, messages, and apps will be available shortly after setup finishes. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.